This is the 50-watt RGB LED floodlight by Lighting Ever. It comes with a remote like this, 16 different colors. You can dim it or make them bright. There's an on and off switch right here. Right here is where you dim them, and here's the different colors. You can make it also do strobe, flash, fade, smooth. We put this outside on our patio. We're going to use this at nighttime to light up our patio, so we'll be able to see at nighttime because it's kind of hard to see out here at nighttime. So we put this out here to put a lot of light when we have friends over, so we'll be able to see a lot better. I've got it all hooked up right now, and I'm going to turn it on when nighttime comes and show you how bright it is at night. Okay, as you can see, it's nighttime now. I'm going to turn it on and show you what it looks like. It's pretty bright. Lights up my entire patio. Let's go through the colors. That's red. That's the blue. I think that's purple. The pink. And that's the white. Does a good job. It lights up the entire patio out here, as you can see. Puts out a lot of light.